back to this week's video. So today I am going to be showing you my room because I really like how it turned out. Because yesterday I cleaned all of it and I put some new decorations in and I just really like it and I wanted to show you guys. So subscribe, like, thanks for watching. And why am I out of breath? Oh my god. Thanks for watching and just enjoy the video, I guess. Okay, so I don't know how to start this video. This is the overview of my room. So let's go like that. So over here I have these like butterfly cutout things that I did a really long time ago. I honestly don't like them anymore, so I might take them down, but for now they're just there. Then I have this, I really want to change it. It's like switch thingy. I made it when I made the butterfly thingies. I don't like it anymore, honestly. I think I'm just gonna change it to a white one. And then over here, I don't know how to explain this area. I have my iPhone box, my AirPod box, the ice cube gum mint thingies, mints, and airheads, I think. And then next I have this like statue thingy, I guess. I'm not sure what it's called. And this is my dresser. I don't know where it's from, honestly. My parents just gave it to me. And this is my mirror. I have like lights right there all around that my friend gave to me for my birthday. And up there I have like a hair accessory, like flower, but I just keep it up there because I don't wear it. And then a picture of La Virgen, you know, I don't know what else. So let's just start in here first. I have this like, what even is this? I got it in like 7th grade. These, not important. Then I have a nightlight, some pens, and my Polaroid camera. Then in here, I have some random stuff like this makeup, and honestly, I don't want these, and I kind of want to sell these. Oh my god, I can't close it, gosh. And then I have like this. These are just like perfumes. Like this one from Bath and Body Works, the Rose. Then this lotion from Bath and Body Works. Then this Jennifer Lopez perfume. These two mxria.g.c perfumes, and this, I think it's called 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪 perfume, this one. Then I would usually have my what's it called, this thingy-majiggy right here. And I have my light, like ring light here. Got it from Amazon. Also the, I don't know what it's called. Then I have all my earrings. I have like some earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. Honestly, I don't wear half of these necklaces. And also hand sanitizer holders and like bags, mini bags, I guess. And then here is my wall closet. It's just a bunch of Polaroid pictures that I got throughout the years, like Myrtle Beach and where's Christmas, I don't know, everything. And I have also my backpack right there, and that, I don't even know what it is. So this is my closet. Honestly, it's not that clean, but I try to clean it. Right here I have art stuff, and over here I just have random stuff. And I have this blanket hoodie thingy, a hoodie, and a blanket. Then I have just a bunch of bags. So yeah, also I don't know what this is. My sister just left it here when she moved out. And I have clothes. It's not that organized, honestly. I just have hoodies. It's kind of in rainbow order-ish. And dresses. And I also have these old blankets that I used to, that were on my bed. Then shoes. I have dirty clothes, my shoes, and just random like socks and stuff like that. Also, I have a mirror right here, just in case you were wondering. There's stickers here. Ew, my feet. Okay, oh my god. Then there's like lights. I honestly don't want to turn them on because it's down there. And I also have lights all around here. Let me actually turn them on. Just see, it looks really pretty. And I don't like this light. It's this. It's really pretty. Anyways, getting out of the closet, I have my window. Out there is, hold on, let me show you guys. My pool. Oh my god, you can't even see it. My dad is out there somewhere, I don't know where. But my pool is over there. And this is a roof for like the porch and the trees and stuff. So anyways, does this focus? What the heck? Why is it? Okay. Right there I have all my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers, and there I just have like hair stuff, random stuff. I'm gonna get more in depth, like I'm gonna make a vanity tour video, so I'll make sure to like stay tuned for that, or I don't know which is coming first, honestly. So I just have like mirror. I got this from Amazon, that from Amazon, and this from Amazon. But I just got brushes, a plant, a light up thingy, a camera, what's it called? Vinyl player, record, I don't know. And then a perfume, candle, that jar thingy. And down there I have just the trash can, mirrors and stuff. And up here I have 4 vinyls. I have 2 𝓊𝓈𝓾𝓬𝓪 Martinez and 2 Ariana Grande. I'm gonna get another Ariana Grande one, and I just really want to get a lot more. And they'll be like all through there. And over here I have a unicorn that my sister left here when she moved out. Oh, also I forgot to mention I have like the boxes for the, what's it called, vinyls. And then here is my lovely bed. I got the covers from, I think, Target, or I don't know where honestly, but I got like a whole bunch of pictures from 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓪, I think, and I want to get more because it's like kind of crooked and not enough pictures, so I'm gonna maybe order some more. But I also have this like decoration from Ross that I got like a year ago when I thought I was gonna move into a new room, but it was just like a false alarm, so I just had it for no reason. And then I have my stuffed animals, a penguin from 5 and Below. This is from Target, Build-A-Bear that I got for from like 3 years ago. And I don't know where it's from, it's a pillow pet. And these pillows, the white ones, came with the bed cover thingy. And I got these 2 pink pillows and 2 white pillows. And also this thingy and my nightstand and this all came together from someone on, I don't know who. But anyways, over here is my nightstand. I have a water bottle and a, what's it called, plant thingy, succulent, a llama, this that I got from my dad for Valentine's Day, cat, it's just a cat, and a baby picture of me, and another picture of me, and the tin right there. And in here I have just stuff, 3 small like stuffed animals, this AirPod case, my glasses case, this like sleep spray thingy, headphones, I don't even know what this is called, like eye mask, and my AirPods. And then I have a baby album of me and a wallflower. Oh, also I have blankets and stuff down there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and stuff. Peace.
it's not for me to say.